Welcome to Archaic Lighting. I know you've been waiting for our FD tail light since November. We need a little more delivery time because we have to do kinds of tests. First is this high precision sealing test. If the product can pass this test, you will never have a trouble of water leaking. Even tiny gap in the lamp, the machine will give us a warning. Then we will come to the functional testing. We will set the same voltage from the car, then test the functions one by one. After that, we will come into the aging test and high-low temperature test. Finally, we will come into the UV ring test. Our Archaic may not give you the lowest price, but we will guarantee the best quality and enthusiastic service. You will get what you pay for. Thank you for today. Bye-bye.